All right, friends, we started our video as an airplane is going overhead, so it might be hard to hear. But hi, it's Ms. G, and here's Isla, okay? And Gavin's gonna maybe come in the video. Today, we're going to jump rope. I'm gonna show you some skills for jump roping. There's a blue jump rope over there, so we don't have to argue over them. There's always enough jump ropes for everyone, so you don't need the same one, right?
I think.
So you're gonna hold the jump ropes in your hand like this. Open up your hand, place it in, grab it. I'm gonna get hit with the jump rope, huh? Make sure you're not near anyone when they're jump roping.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna be spaced out a lot in the gym
Do you like that, Mom?
when we come back. But make sure you're not in the way, because if you two hit each other, it's going to hurt a lot. So that's the rules. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so hold the jump rope.
It's easy to do it when it's
You're gonna
behind.
swing it
It's
over
harder
your
to
head.
do it when it's
Wait, jump.
in
The
front.
important part is to wait for it. So it's swing, wait, jump. Then you can swing, wait, jump. Swing, wait, jump. Some people want to swing it and jump. But if you swing it and jump, you missed it. You missed your chance. So you got to be patient for that rope to come down. Swing, wait, jump.
Swing,
wait, jump.
jump.
And if you get the hang of it, you can do lots
Swing,
of
jump.
jumps. You can even do tricks.
Swing, jump.
You can do fast jumps. You can do crisscross jumps. You can do backwards jumps.
Swing,
Don't
jump.
hit my camera.
Swing,
Backwards jumps. Don't ask me to do the backward crisscross. Again, just like hula. I almost gonna get hit. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of hard work.
I can't do
and
backward jumps.
determination.
I can only do jumps.
You guys, repeat after me. I can do hard things.
Yeah.
Say it.
I can do hard things.
Yes.
I
I
can
will
do
keep
fast.
trying my best. I will not give up. Great job. They won't give up. They're trying really hard, and I'm out of breath. Jump roping is great cardio. Gets your heart beating really fast. If you're really having trouble with the swing, wait, jump, you can back it up a little. Back it up so you don't get hit. Put the jump rope down on the ground, and then just practice using your arms to jump over, jump back, jump over, and maybe you want to try jumping side to side. Just practice jumping over a rope. Nice and easy. That's a good first step.
I'm already
All
good
of
at
my
jumping
friends.
over a rope, but I'll show you. Okay.
In kindergarten and first grade, we always practice our jumping skills before we start swinging over our head. And I forgot a very important step. When you're first starting, you want the jump rope, when you stand on it at the bottom, to go right up to your armpits. Well, that's a silly word, right? Your armpits are right here, underneath your arms. You want it to come up. This one's a little short for me. This is a child's jump rope, but it's okay. If it's too long, if it comes up here, you could wrap it around your hands a little bit. That would help. If it's too short, it's better to find a new one, or you'll just be tripping on it a lot. Okay,
Hey,
friends?
look. I think mine was a little bit too long. Or maybe not. I can't.
All right, I hope you
around
all
my
have
Sorry, it had like something pop up, so Mom had to do that.
Yeah, so you can get any jump ropes you want. Like I said, if it's a little
hope
long,
you all
wrap it
have
around.
I hope you all have a wonderful time now.
Yes. Great job today.
Have a
Take
nice
care.
day.
Have a nice day.
nice
Happy
day.
summer.
Bye. Happy